Help support the companies that support our community. I used regular wood glue to glue them together and then put a small handful of Pinto beans in there and just kind of tested a little bit to see what sounded good. And then after I got it was all glued together, then I went in and put a little bit of oil on the top and the bottom of the heads of them. So I don't know. I think they sound pretty good. Mark has been asking me to make a set of maracas for a long time, many years. Mark, I finally got them done. They're out of maple. The handles are curly maple, and the heads of them are just straight grain, regular maple. That one has a little bit of character to it, but it was the same piece of wood. And then we did the basket illusion on them. So that stuff is really fun. We've done a few things with it, and the pins I used, they're the Faber-Castell pins, and we used the sangria and the regular black, but you can get these in a variety of colors. Big shout out to Braxton, has been doing a ton of basket illusion stuff. I'll put a link down below in the description to his channel and his Instagram. He did a bowl the other night that was just amazing, so go check that out. They're about 10.5 inches tall and about 3.5 inches in diameter, but it was a fun one. Robin found a design she liked online and we went with that. Just thought a nice little band on it would kind of give it a nice little touch. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. I don't think I have anything else this week going on, but we will get another one out and we will see you next week. Why am I so weird about this? I just don't get it. I've been doing this for a long time. It's all right. Don't worry. Everybody is already gone. They all drop off as soon as I start babbling. I don't know. I don't know why I get all nervous and weird. Robin's out here filming with me in the shop the whole time we're doing the project. I come out here to do the closer. I'm out here by myself, and all of a sudden I get weird. I don't know what to do with my hands. I forget what I'm supposed to talk about. Last week we did the mirror. I was going to talk about how I cut the mirror. I didn't cut them. I was going to explain to him that I had a glass shop, cut them years ago. I completely spaced off and forgot about that. Anyway, it's very stressful. I don't know why. I don't know what it is about talking to the camera by myself that makes it all weird. Talk to people all day long, every day. It's very strange. All right. We will see you next week. For the 5% that stuck around to the very, very, very end. I love you guys. We'll see you next week.